Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will tell you about the data analyst in Python. Actually, what is data analyst? In data analyst in the world increasing centralized around information technology, huge amount of data are produced and stored each day. Often these data come from automatic detection systems, sensors and scientific instrumentations, or you produce them daily and unconsciously every time you make a withdrawal from the bank or make a purchase, when you record on various blogs, or even when you post on social networks. But what are the data? The data actually are not information, at least in terms of their form. In the formless streams of bytes, at first glances it is difficult to understand their essence, if not strictly the number, word, or the time that they report. Information is actually the result of processing which, taking into account a certain set of data, extracts some conclusions that can be used in various ways. This process of extracting information from the raw data is previously data analysis. The purpose of data analysis is preciously to extract information that is not easily deducible, but that, when understood, leads to the possibility of carrying out studies on the mechanisms of the systems that have produced them, thus allowing the possibility of making forecasts of possible responses of these systems and their evolution in time. Starting from a simple methodological approaches on data protection, data analysis has become a real discipline, leading to the development of real methodologies generating modules. The model is in fact the translation into a mechanical form of the system placed under study. Once there is a mathematical or logical form able to describe them responses under different levels of precious, you can then make predictions about its development or response to certain inputs. Thus, the aim of the data analysis is not the model, but the goodness of its predictive power. The predictive power of a model depends not only on the quality of the modeling techniques, but also on the ability to choose a good dataset upon which build the entire data analysis. So the search for data, their extraction and their subsequent preparation, while representing primarily activities of an analysis, also belong to the data analysis itself because of their importance in their success of the results. So far we have spoken of data, their handling and their processing thought, calculations, produce procedures. In parallel to the all storage of processing of the data analysis, various methods of data visualization have been developed. In fact, to understand the data both individually and in terms of the role they play in the entire data set, there is no better system than to develop the techniques of graphic representation capable of transforming information, sometimes implicitly hidden in figures, which help you more easily understood their meaning. Over the years, lots of display models modes have been developed for different models of data display the chart. So the next topic I will tell you the numpy library of Python. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you and goodbye.